Oh my god. Am I gonna regret this? I think it's time for a change, and before you get too excited, no, it's not going to really be that drastic, but it's gonna feel drastic to me, and that's all that matters. I thought I would bring you guys along with me to do a little heavy trimming and to refresh my hair dye. I am admittedly a little nervous today because I'm actually going to use a different brand of hair dye than I usually do, and it's a different color. So about like once or twice a year, I will usually go in with a black hair gloss or a black hair dye, and I usually use the one from Revlon. It's this one right here in the color soft black, and I've actually posted a video of myself doing it before. That's usually my go-to. It's been my go-to for a while. Today we're gonna try something a little different, and I need you guys along with me for emotional support. So back in January 2025, when I caught whiff that I would be getting engaged, I decided to just not really touch my hair. So as soon as we got home, I kid you not, I cut off like 2 inches worth of little straggly bits at the end, and it didn't even really make a difference. So I was left wanting for more. So I have a couple of friends with me here today that are gonna help us complete this transformation. And the good part is, if this turns out really badly, I actually have naturally wavy hair, so I don't think you'll be able to tell as much, especially not in the summertime when I'm wearing it naturally. I don't know, I kind of just impulsively decided I wanted to do this. I usually change my hair pretty often, and I had kind of held out for a really long time, like an abnormally long time for my standards, because of the wedding, just because I was scared that I was going to mess my hair up before, and I really just didn't need any more added stress, and I didn't want to touch it at all. Do not try this at home, okay? And if you do, don't come crying to me because I warned you. Don't do this if you don't feel comfortable doing it. I feel comfortable doing it because I've been taking matters into my own hands since I was like 16. I have dealt with the consequences. I know there are risks. You've been warned. First chop, this is gonna be the shortest my hair has been in a long time. I'm using some barber shears. Oh my god. I am not a professional, nor am I claiming to be making a tutorial. I am simply taking you guys along for moral support, okay? We're just 2 girls in a girl's bathroom doing a little DIY beauty treatments, just the way the universe intended. Okay, so first chop is done. Obviously it's very blunt. We're going to add some layers to it. Okay, I'm just pushing all my hair up to the front part of my forehead. Just please, whatever you do, don't do what I'm doing. I feel like you guys haven't seen this like side of me. I'm actually pretty crazy when it comes to my hair, and I haven't really had the pleasure of experimenting in a while. Okay, so this is where we are with the cut, and I think it looks pretty good. It has so much more volume. It looks so much more alive. It has so much more movement. Before, it felt like it was like dragging me down. It started to just feel greasy and sweaty all the time, and I think it's going to look really good styled. It's still a little blunt on the bottom, and I don't know if I want to keep it like that. I don't know if I want to kind of go for like a shaggy lob, or if I do want to like go in a little bit more with the layers, kind of lighten this bottom layer up a little bit. I don't know. I guess we'll see. I'm gonna do the color first, and then I'll edit and adjust as needed once I see what it looks like with the color. Let's get into the dye. I'm just gonna do a couple of really rough sections and just lather it on, okay? This is a very humble, down-to-earth DIY we have going on right now. You know what? I really miss this. I just miss the thrill of it being you, a box of hair dye, and a dream, alone in your bathroom. Okay. My natural hair has really red undertones, which I hate, which is why I always do some kind of dye touch-up. Even if it ends up being really similar to my hair color, it's more so the undertones that I'm trying to take care of. I know when I posted my black hair dye video, people were commenting, okay, before and before, because it wasn't that big of a difference, but like, guys, you don't get it. You just don't understand. I feel like I'm really missing a lot of the back. And I don't know if you can tell, but you can kind of see where like my natural hair is growing in and where the black hair dye was. So that is also why it was just time. We are nearing the end of the bottle. I need to make sure everything is covered. I did this so sloppily, but I have a good feeling about this. I'll make sure I get the back because I have a lot of neck hair. And whenever I dye my hair different colors, that's always like super noticeable when I do an updo. Now we wait 25 minutes and hope for the best. Okay, I'm getting ready for the FIFA Fan Fest watch party, so I thought this would be a good time to show you guys the reveal. My hair fully styled. I did the full like blowout and I put rollers in, so let's see what it looks like. I just put the ends up in a claw clip. She's voluminous, hopefully. Oh, wow. And here is the final look. I definitely cut a lot off. And in terms of the color, I don't know if it really shows up on camera or if you can tell from the before and the after, but I absolutely love how cool toned this is now. I hate those warm reddish tones that my hair naturally has. So this immediately just looks way healthier, way shinier, and it just looks more put together. And I think the cut looks beautiful. Look at that. And I think it's gonna look really good no matter how I style it. I don't think it's gonna take a lot of effort on my part. I did do kind of a straight blowout the other day, and this is what it looked like. It came out so good. I wanted to try the rollers today for like a bigger Hollywood style blowout, and I am in love. Well, okay, thank you for accompanying me, you guys, and being my moral and emotional support while I go on this journey of rebirth. I really do think energetically cutting your hair does something, and I had just been growing it out for so long. I feel like literally and metaphorically it was weighing me down, and I feel reborn. I feel brand new, and I am very happy with it. Okay, bye. Love you.